Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys are having a great day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you see your Facebook password on iPhone. So guys, you cannot see your Facebook password on Facebook because you can just change your Facebook password on Facebook. So to see your Facebook password on Facebook, you need to just go to your Gmail app or your Chrome browser. I'm going to use Gmail app. Now click the top right your profile icon and click on manage your Google account. Now scroll here and you will see security option, click on it. Now you need to just scroll down, and after scrolling down here you can see password manager, just click on here. After clicking on password manager, here you can see I have saved so many passwords here, and there is Facebook, just click on Facebook. Now to verify you need to just give your Gmail password. Now after giving your Gmail password, here you can see all of the Facebook password and account is here. You can just click on this eye icon and you can just see the password. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.